Hello to all card model players. Today, I bring you a leader in urban logistics, the 1:22 scale officially licensed SAIC Chinka, the Yue H300 Yue-Xi version. Holding it in your hand, the weight of the alloy is substantial, and the custom packaging from the original factory makes the unboxing experience truly ceremonial. The details reveal the quality, and the original factory thoughtfully provides a special door opener. Let's first take a look at this iconic front face, the high-gloss stepped chrome grille paired with these sharp headlights exuding an imposing aura. The moment the car door is pushed open, it's as if you can hear the crisp sound of the hinges engaging. For the Chinka model, not flipping the cab means it lacks soul. The soul of the Chinka model lies in the cab flip. With a gentle lift, you can see the engine module and piping layout hidden below. Though small, it is complete with all essential parts, perfectly miniaturizing the beauty of the mechanical structure in this small space. Walking around to the back and opening this well-bearing cargo door, the interior is flat and spacious with a strong silver metallic texture. Next is the high-energy moment. Brothers, take a good look at its chassis, drive shaft, and exhaust pipe details, all fully detailed. Not to mention this static model even features rear axle shock absorption travel. Listen to the rebound feel when pressed down. Isn't it extremely soothing? This is the hardcore attitude that an original factory model should have. Let's take the camera into the cabin. The passenger car level interior is impeccable, with black and grey dual-tone seat textures, a clear dashboard, and even the wiper cutouts are clearly visible. The original factory paint on the side of the cabin for test drive and rental experience makes you feel like you're at the car pickup scene in an instant. From the shiny aluminum alloy wheels and realistic rubber tires to the spare tire bracket under the chassis, this 1:22 scale Yue H300 is a sincere creation, whether displayed quietly on a desk as an industrial artwork or held in hand for repeated play. Brothers who like hardcore truck models, remember to like and save. Tell me in the comments what brand was your first Chinka.